This is the operator training for all models of the Hobart Legacy Plus mixers. The Hobart Legacy Plus mixer comes in bench and floor models with a variety of bowl sizes. 12 to 40 quart capacity mixers feature smart timer, stir, 3 mixing speeds, manual bowl lift, and a number 12 attachment hub. 60 quart and up capacity mixers feature smart timer, stir, 4 mixing speeds, shift on the fly controls, and power bowl lift. Fast stop is available on 80 and 140 quart mixers. Shift on the fly ensures convenient, efficient speed changes while the motor is running. Fast stop brings all moving parts to a complete stop in under 3 seconds. To prepare for mixing with all Hobart Legacy Plus mixers, the bowl must first be installed on the fully lowered bowl support. Lower the bowl support by raising the lift arm or using the down arrow on the power bowl lift button. Align the hole in the bowl tab on the left side of the bowl with the bowl support pin on the left side of the bowl support arm. Lower the bowl onto the bowl support and swing it into the lock position. 30 quart and up mixers will have a bowl lock lever to hold the bowl securely in place. Slide the wire cage to the left to add ingredients to the bowl for mixing. Place the agitator into the bowl and align the horizontal slot on the agitator with the agitator shaft pin. Pull the plunger pin on the agitator and slide the agitator onto the agitator shaft until the pin engages and latches. You will hear an audible click when it is in position. Slide the wire cage to the right, to the front center position. The wire cage must be in this position for mixer operation. Raise the bowl support by slowly lowering the lift arm until it locks in place or pushing the arrow up on the power bowl lift button and the bowl reaches the raised and locked position. The mixer is now ready for operation. Notice, the mixer can only operate if the bowl is in the raised and locked position and the wire cage is in the front center position. All Legacy Plus mixer control panels include a start button, a stop button, a speed dial, a time dial, and a time display window. 60 quart and up mixers also have a speed display window and power bowl lift button. 12 to 40 quart mixers have 3 speed indicators as well as stir. Stir is a slow speed for incorporating ingredients in order to keep the dust hazard low. 1 is low speed for heavy doughs like pizza dough, heavy batters, and potatoes. 2 is medium-low speed for cake batters, mashed potatoes, and developing bread dough. 3 is medium-high speed for incorporating air into batches or finishing whipped items. 60 to 140 quart mixers have an additional speed indicator. 4 is high speed for maximum and accelerated air into batches. Legacy Plus mixers have a feature called Smart Timer, which will remember timed operation for each speed level until it is changed. The Smart Timer allows the operator to count up or count down, making it easier to create recipes. To operate in count up mode or continuous mixing, select a speed and then turn the time dial counterclockwise to hold. Hold will appear in the time window. Press the start button and the timer will begin to count up from 0. The speed dial can be changed at any time during count up mode. If the wire cage is opened at any time during mixing, the mixer will stop operation. To resume, close the mixing cage and press the start button. Warning: the agitator does not stop immediately. To avoid serious injury, keep hands, clothing, and utensils away from the agitator until it winds down. When the timer reaches the maximum of 15 minutes in the 12, 20, or 30 quart mixer, or 20 minutes in the 40, 60, 80, or 140 quart mixer, the timer will beep and then resume counting at 0. To operate in countdown mode or timed mixing, turn the speed dial to the preferred speed. If the count up mode was used for the previous batch, you will need to turn the dial to the new time desired for mixing. If the countdown mode was used, the previously used time will display. If a different time is needed, you will need to turn the dial to the time desired for mixing. Press the start button and the timer will count down from the time selected. If the mixer is stopped at any time, the timer will stop. The timer will start again when the machine is started. If the mixer is stopped and the time selection is changed, pressing Start will save the new time selection under the current speed setting. For 12 and 20 quart mixers, if the time is changed while mixing, the timer will restart to the previously saved time for the selected speed and countdown. For most floor models, if the time is changed while mixing, the mixer operates with the new time until expired. It will not store the new time under the speed selection. If the speed is changed while mixing, the time will change to the previously stored time for the selected speed. When the timer reaches 0, the mixer will stop, a beeper sounds, and the last selected time will display on the time window. To unload your product in bowl, slide the wire cage to the left to open. Notice, the bowl is heavy and must be correctly handled and lifted to avoid personal injury. Have the bowl truck available if needed for floor model mixers. Pull the lift handle slowly up to lower the bowl support, or press the arrow down on the Power Bowl lift button to lower the bowl support on 60 quart and up mixers. Unlock the bowl and swing out slightly before removing the agitator. Remove the agitator by pulling the plunger pin and sliding it off of the agitator shaft. Lift the bowl tab from the bowl support pin and remove the bowl from the support arm and place onto the bowl truck.